Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design. I'm popping in today very quickly with a little unboxing video. A few weeks ago, I received a lovely email from someone named Florence at a company called Taperlogie. I had never heard of them before, but basically they supply vintage style handmade materials for junk journals, mini albums, card making, anything crafty. And Florence had found my Instagram channel and thought I might be interested in receiving a sample of what they do. So of course I said yes, and the box just came in the mail. It's so cute. It's got this little sticker that says I'm finally home, and it opens out like a pizza box. And I did undo the tape, but I haven't looked at anything inside. So we're gonna look together. Right away I can tell this is going to be amazing. Look at this vellum envelope with the carousel horse. I had the option to pick my own goodies or to let them curate a box for me. And I let them curate a box for me, and I didn't peek at what they sent me. I can tell you right away that the texture, this has like a beautiful linen texture. It almost feels like cloth. And these are, I think, stickers maybe. But the center pops out so you can use them like frames. These are beautiful. You could stamp on these. They've got really pretty vintage finish. I could see these even inked up being even more beautiful. And there's a ton of them in here, big and small. I may have to break out my journal making equipment and make a journal. I haven't done one in a long, long time, but look how beautiful these are. Wow. I really like these. Thank you, Florence. So this is called Journal Cards. That's the name of this package. And there's just all kinds in here. It goes on and on and on and on. Really beautiful. So we'll put these back in their little envelope. I love the envelope itself. It's wonderful. And then, let's see, this looks like a whole package of laces. Let's take a peek inside. Oh, look at the neat bag with all the snowflakes on it. Even that is really sweet. So look at all these different trims, pieces of trims. So beautiful. Wow, this is neat. Look at the sweet little daisies. I love that. Lots of different shades, lots of different widths. I like that there's narrow pieces, and that's great for fall, isn't it? Narrow pieces and wider pieces, and they're all really soft. They're not like, I wish you could feel them. They're not prickly, they're not stiff. They feel old. They feel like they just came out of somebody's trunk. They're really neat. So these are beautiful, and it just look at this one. That would be beautiful with pink autumn, wouldn't it? So these are going to be fun. Ooh, look at the shamrocks. How neat. Wow, this is just a huge pile of vintage lace. Love, love. So fun. So many different styles. That's beautiful too. All right, so there's those. I'll put these all away later so we can keep moving. These look like handmade papers, and I love how beautifully everything is packaged. Oh, these are so pretty, you guys. These have that wonderful handmade paper feel. Oh, yeah, these are beautiful. It's in this little pocket. These are sweet with the little flower pieces. These are gorgeous. These would be really, really pretty in a junk journal or a traveler's notebook. Looks like we're going to have to get busy here. Wow. Everything is so delicate, and it looks old. It's really wonderful. So pretty. So these I would say are like 4 by 6, or maybe 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 is what they look like actually. And then little labels and things and tags. Beautiful. And these look like vellum butterflies. Let's see. Yeah, these are all vellum butterflies and dragonflies. Look how pretty they are up against this craft. Really neat. Oh, this is fun. Lots and lots of goodies in there. I won't pull them all out, but those are beautiful. Then there's this nifty vintage looking package. How sweet. Just even the stickers and the packaging alone is wonderful. I'm not sure what's in here, but we're about to find out. Oh, these are coffee dyed papers and images. Wow, beautiful. Let's turn it this way so that it's right side up. Oh, these are neat. Look at that. Just beautiful ephemera bits. And they're all coffee stained or tea stained. Really nice. Really, really nice. Those are beautiful. All right, we've got another little string wrapped. I love the string on this parcel even. That's beautiful. Look how they decorate everything up. That is so pretty. I love the packaging. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this is a big package of, oh my goodness, look at all this ephemera. Oh my goodness, just stacks and stacks and stacks of it. Oh my goodness, I could make junk journals from now until forever. Postage stamps. The texture on this paper is really neat too. It's it just feels old. It's really cool. These are beautiful. Wow. Book spines. These are vellum. Like film strips almost. Those are beautiful. And there's more. It just keeps going and going. These are really nice coffee dyed papers. I love the old typography. Look, isn't that great? Really neat. Oh, those are fun. And then this is just a really cool piece of trim. That's beautiful. It feels like almost like straw. It's jute, I think. Oops, and I lost one of those. Oh my goodness, this is so delicate and beautiful. Wow, look how beautiful that is layered over. This paper is stunning. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So this, I think, pairs up with that. I guess it's mix and match. Wow, this is amazing. These are like, let me find a piece of white cardstock. There, now you can see it better. These are beautiful. Wow. So there's this one, and then there's this one. Wow, so pretty. These would be beautiful on Christmas things. And this kind of feels like it's, wow, gathered almost. That is beautiful. And then this. Wow. It's really cool. Netting. This looks like needlepoint paper. Isn't that neat? So these are all just like nettings and things that you could stitch onto your pages. These are beautiful. Look at this one with the iridescent pieces in it. That's amazing. Wow. This just goes on. This is a huge stack of these handmade papers that are so neat. Just beautiful texture. Look at that. has iridescent bits in the center. That's amazing. Wow. These are really pretty. I think you could, I wonder if I could die cut these and make really beautiful flowers with some of the crinkled papers. That might be really beautiful. Look at this. Isn't that neat? So unusual. No two are alike. This has the little bits, like the little shavings or filings in it. So neat. Wow. So are any of you guys junk journal makers? I know some of you are, because some of you I've seen your work on Instagram. So this would be right up your alley. Beautiful parchment. More handmade papers. These are so neat, you guys. I wish you could feel them, because that's half the pleasure, is feeling the texture that's on these papers. Those are amazing. Wow. I hope I can get everything packed back away as neatly as it was. And then this looks like a neat little package. Again, I love the little envelope that it comes in. I'm going to try to open it very carefully. Oh, I see, now it goes like this. There we go. Look at that sweet little bag. That would be cute as a shaker, wouldn't it? Oh, these are just little journal cards. Oh my goodness. Again, it's the texture of everything that's so wonderful on these little tags. Oh my goodness, these are exquisite. Look at that. That has an embossed. Yeah, these are all embossed. And they are just exquisite. Wow. Wow, I'll have to take my time and sort. Look at this. This almost feels like embroidery in the center. That's amazing. Such beautiful things. My goodness. And this is dried flowers. Look at that. Look at that. Look how this is overlaid on a piece of paper. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, those are gorgeous. That's pretty cool. And then more of these. These are the blossoms. Beautiful. Oh, look at these. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And then this looks like more handmade paper, like maybe for the actual pages in a journal. And then these beautiful dried roses. Wow, guys, this is an amazing haul. Everything is so beautiful. The quality seems to be just top notch. This has little tips. Wow. These are stunning. These are stunning. So I'm going to have to carve out some me time to just play with all this beautiful stuff, but I wanted to show you what they sent me because it's all so very beautiful. Just opening the package is a wonderful experience. Everything just feels so calm. I don't know, it's like just a beautiful sense of simplicity and calm. Look at the lily of the valley. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, my mind is spinning. So I'm going to put all of this back in its beautiful little box, and I'm going to see what I have that I can use to create some sort of little journal that I'll come back and share at some future date. But remember, the name of the company is Taperlogie. I don't know what I did with that little card, but I will link it in the description box below so you can go visit their website and drool over all their beautiful goodies. And that is it for me, Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I am definitely going to go get my craft on. Bye.